Welcome to one and all. I am Vasanta, Department of Computer Science, Gopalswamy PU College, Mysore. Today I am going to explain regarding De Morgan's theorem. What exactly the De Morgan's theorem states, then how to prove that today I am going to explaining you. Before starting this, I just want to tell you what do you mean by De Morgan's theorem, which are the formulas, which are the postulates here we have. The first postulate says that De Morgan's theorem, the first one states that x plus y whole bar equals x bar into y bar. On this, the plus operator is replaced by dot operator, and here the whole complement will replace it by individual complement. This is your first De Morgan's theorem. This question they were going to ask for 5 marks. State and prove De Morgan's theorem. Whereas in the previous class only I told you, on this chapter total weightage is 9 marks. Out of 9 marks, 2 marks 2 question and 5 marks 1 question. For 5 marks, they may want to ask this question, prove De Morgan's theorem. The first De Morgan's theorem states that x plus y whole bar equals x bar into y bar. And the second De Morgan's theorem states that x into y whole bar equals x bar. Here the dot will replace by plus y bar. See here, in these two cases what happens? The plus is replaced by dot and here dot is replaced by plus. Each variable individually here it is complemented. If you have 3 variables, for example a plus b plus c whole bar, then on De Morgan's theorem we will replace a bar. Individually we have to complement and here plus operator is there we have to write dot operator, then b bar dot c bar. Like this we will perform. For example, if I have a dot b dot c whole bar, then by using De Morgan's theorem we can write that a bar individual complement and here dot will replace by plus, b bar plus c bar. How many variables we want? That many variables we can take. But in the exam for 5 marks they will ask prove De Morgan's theorem. Then which are the things exactly here we have to write is, first we have to write the circuit diagram for that, then you have to write the truth table, then by using algebraic method you have to solve. Then only you will get full 5 marks. One by one we will prove. First I am going to take the first one, that is x plus y whole bar equals x bar into y bar. Then how to write the circuit diagram for this one? Here how many variables here we have? Totally 2 variables. One is x and one more is y. Then in between we have plus operator. Plus operator means compulsory you have to write reverse C shape. Then here what is the output here we'll get? X plus y. But here x plus y whole bar we have. That's why here you have to negate it, not operation. Then here the output is x plus y whole bar become the output. That is equals to, I am going to say it as r here. This is the output r. This value equals to x complement. X is one variable, y is one variable. But here we require x bar. Then here you have to write negation. This is x bar output and this is y bar output. These two are combined with a dot operator. In dot operator compulsory you have to use a D shape. This is the circuit symbol to represent first De Morgan's theorem. Next I am to explain regarding the truth table. On this truth table, first you have to check how many variables are there. In this, totally we have 2 variables, one is x and one more is y. Only 2 variables, it means that only 4 different combinations we will get. To represent only 4 combinations, then 2 zeros and then 2 1. Next for y, write down 0 1 0 1. Here first we have to find x plus y. X plus y we will find out first. X plus y means if you have plus operator, on that time if any one of the input is true, output become true here. That is 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. Then next find out x plus y whole bar. In this whatever value in x plus y here we have just negate it. Then here 1, 0, 0, 0. Next, find out x bar. How to find x bar? Whatever x column here we have, just reverse it. Here we have first two zeros, then write down first two 1. Next we have 2 1, then here write down 2 zeros. Next find out y bar. Then in y bar, just whatever column in this y here we have, that just replace it, just negate it. Then here we have 0, then here you have to write 1. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. Just reverse it. Next find out x bar into y bar. You have to consider x bar column as well as y bar column. Here we have dot operator. In dot operator means if all the inputs are 1, then only the output become 1. Otherwise it is 0. 1 into 1, here output become 1. 1 into 0, 1 input is 0 here. That's why the output become 0, 0, 0. From this we can say that x plus y whole bar value equals to x bar into y bar. This is the truth table to find out first De Morgan's theorem. Then next we will solve this. We will prove by using algebraic method. The equation is x plus y whole bar equals x bar into y bar. We have to prove this one by using algebraic method. Then how to prove this? Before proving this, we have to consider, we have to know regarding complementarity law. If complementarity law proves, it means that De Morgan's theorem is also proved, because there we are applying De Morgan's concept. What exactly the complementarity law states? That complementarity law states that x plus x bar equals 1, first complementarity law, and the second law states that x into x bar equals 0. This is the two complementarity law. We are going to using this complementarity law, and then we will prove De Morgan's concept, because in this we are applying the concept of De Morgan's. Now let P equals x plus y we will take, because we want to prove x plus y whole bar equals x bar into y bar. That's why we will take P equals x plus y. Then what exactly this P bar represent? P bar represents x plus y whole bar. X plus y whole bar. Then apply now De Morgan's concept, that is equals to x bar into y bar. X bar into y bar. Therefore now we will prove P plus P bar equals 1 we have to prove, and another time we have to prove P into P bar equals 0. Now on the place of x, substitute in the place of P, substitute x plus y. X plus y plus, for P bar we have the output x bar into y bar. X bar into y bar equals 1. Now here also we have plus operator, here also we have plus operator, then distribute that. That is first part x plus y I am going to take, then plus x bar. This is first part. Then next here we have dot operator, write down dot as it is. Once again distribute that. X plus y bar equals 1. Now just for our convenience, just replace x plus x bar plus y, because for our convenience we will take x as both the x at the same side, then into x plus y bar equals 1. Already we know that x plus x bar equals 1. Just replace that. X plus x bar equals 1. 1 plus y into here x plus 1, because y plus y bar is also 1 equals 1. We have law of addition. In law of addition, what exactly it states that? That is 1 plus x is nothing but 1 we will take, is it? No. By using law of addition, in law of addition we will take 1 plus y is nothing but 1 into 1 here. X plus 1 is once again it is 1, that is equals to 1. 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. Therefore right hand side value equals to left hand side value. This part we have completed. Now we will move on to P into P bar equals 0. Now how to prove this? For P, substitute x plus y. For P bar, substitute x bar into y bar equals 0. Now, here we have plus operator, but here we have dot operator. Easily we cannot solve, just replace the position. First I am to write x bar into y bar. First I am to write this part first, and then x plus y equals 0. Here also we have dot operator, here also we have dot operator, we can directly distribute. That's why the output become x bar into y bar into x. This part I am going to take first. Then in between you have to write plus operator. X bar into y bar into y equals 0. For our convenience, what we will do, all the x will take one side. Then x into x bar into y bar plus x bar into y equals 0. Now x bar into x, what is the value? X bar into x is nothing but 0. 0 into y bar plus here x bar into 0, because y bar into y is nothing but 0 only, that is equals to 0. Therefore 0 into any number, that is 0 into any variable, that is 0 once again, because in law of multiplication we have 0 into y is nothing but 0 only. That's why from the 0 into any other variable, that is 0 only. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 is nothing but once again 0. Therefore, right hand side value equals to left hand side value. This is your first law of addition, especially on De Morgan's theorem. X plus y whole bar equals x bar into y bar. This is the first proof. This is the circuit diagram. This is the truth table, and we will prove this by using algebraic method. In algebraic method, what we will consider? We will consider complementarity law. And by using that, we will prove De Morgan's theorem. Next, I am going to explain the second De Morgan's theorem in the same pattern. That is by writing circuit diagram, truth table, and then we will solve that by using complementarity law. If complementarity law proves, De Morgan's theorem also we consider it as it is proved, because there we are applying the concept of De Morgan's. What exactly the second De Morgan's theorem states is x into y whole bar equals x bar plus y bar. This is your second De Morgan's theorem. X into y whole bar equals x bar plus y bar. See what I have done? Just replacing dot by plus, all the variable individually will complement. This is your second De Morgan's theorem. Then how to write the circuit diagram? Two variables here we have, one is x and one more is y. Here we have dot operator. Dot operator means compulsory to write D shape. The output here will get x into y, but x into y whole bar we require, then negate it, use not operation. Here the output become x into y whole bar. I am going to consider this r, that is equals to, write down x plus x bar plus y bar. Here I am going to take x and one more is y. But for the circuit diagram I require x bar, then negate it. And for this one also we required y bar, just negate it, not operation. Then combine this by using plus operation. Plus means compulsory to use reverse C shape. I am going to take it as R. This is the circuit diagram to represent second De Morgan's theorem. Next we will prove this by using truth table. In truth table, how we explain the first one? In the same pattern here also we will explain. How many variables here we have? Totally 2 variables. Then that is x and y. How many combinations will get? 4 combinations. If you have 3 variables, 8 combinations you will get. Then 2 zeros, 2 1, 0 1, 0 1. See the equation, x into y whole bar equals x bar plus y bar we have. Then first I will calculate this part. X into y, first I am to calculate x into y. That is dot operator means if all the inputs are 1, then only the output become 1, otherwise it is 0. See the first case, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Then find out x into y whole bar. X into y whole bar. Whatever value in x dot y we have, they just reverse it. Then here 0 we have 1, 1, 1, 0. This is x into y whole bar. Next we will calculate this part. Individually x bar we will find out, then y bar also. How to find out x bar? Just reverse of x. Here 2 zeros we have, then write down 2 ones. Then 2 ones, 2 zeros. For y also, y bar just replace 1, 0, 1, 0. Next find out x bar plus y bar. X bar plus y bar. You have to consider these two columns. Here we have plus operator. Plus operator means if any one of the input is true, output become true here. See these two cases, x bar as well as y bar. In between plus operator, 1 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. From this, I can say that x into y whole bar value equals to x bar plus y bar value. See the output? Here we have 3 ones and then 0, 3 ones and then 0. This is your truth table. Then next we will prove this by using algebraic method. Algebraic method means by using formulas, postulates we have to solve. What exactly the statement represents? X into y whole bar equals x bar plus y bar. X bar plus y bar. Then we will take the complementarity law. Complementarity law, what exactly it states that? That is x plus x bar equals 1, first postulates, and the second one states that x into x bar equals 0. Now is it clear? These two are the complementarity law. By using these law, we will prove the De Morgan's concept. Then what is the next thing we will do? Let P equals. Whereas in the previous case, for P we have took x plus y, but now we want to prove that x into y whole bar. That's why I take down P equals x into y. X into y. Then which implies, what exactly the P bar states that? X into y whole bar. We will apply De Morgan's concept here. That is x bar plus y bar. Now is it clear? Therefore, P plus P bar equals 1, P into P bar equals 0. Now for the place of P we will substitute x into y plus, for P bar substitute x bar plus y bar equals 1. Now here we have plus operator and here we have dot operator. Directly we cannot solve, just replace the position. First I am to write x bar plus y bar plus x into y equals 1. Now distribute that, x bar plus y bar. Now write down plus, then x. Now write down dot operator. X bar plus y bar plus y equals 1. For our convenience, we'll just reverse the position, x to the same place, x bar plus x plus y bar into x bar plus y bar plus y equals 1. Already we know that x bar plus x is nothing but 1 only. That is 1 plus y bar into here x bar plus 1, because y bar into y is nothing but 1 only. That is equals to 1. Then 1 plus y bar is nothing but 1, because by using law of addition 1 plus x is nothing but x. In the same way there 1 plus y bar is nothing but 1 into 1, that is equals to 1. From this I can say that right hand side value equals to left hand side value. Now we will prove the next one, that is P into P bar equals 0. For P substitute x into y dot. Next we have P bar. P bar states that x bar plus y bar equals 0. Here also we have dot operator and here also we have dot operator. We can calculate, that is x into y into x bar. Here write down plus operator. Now x into y bar equals 0. Now for our convenience we will put all x to the same place. X into x bar into y plus x into y bar equals 0. We know that x into x bar by using complementarity law, It states that x into x bar is nothing but 0. 0 into y plus here x into 0. Because y into y bar, once again it is 0. 0 into any variable. We have law of multiplication. In law of multiplication, 0 into x is nothing but 0 only. That's why 0 plus 0 equals 0. Both the values 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. From this I can say that right hand side value equals to left hand side value. These are the two postulates, De Morgan's theorem. The first De Morgan states that x plus y whole bar equals x bar into y bar. Whereas the second De Morgan's theorem states that x into y whole bar equals x bar plus y bar. This is a very important question because in the exam they will ask this question for 5 marks. On that time they may ask only first De Morgan's theorem, otherwise they may ask only second De Morgan's theorem. On that case you have to write the circuit diagram, truth table, and you have to solve by using algebraic method. These are the things today I am going to explaining you. Next class I am going to continue the remaining thing. Thank you for all of you.